Hello, this is an instructional video about using enoxaparin or Lovenox for blood thinning after certain procedures. If your surgeon or surgeon's nurse has recommended Lovenox for blood thinners after surgery, you'll get from the pharmacy a box that has several syringes in it that look like this. Enoxaparin is a blood thinner that's used subcutaneously after surgery to prevent blood clots. To prepare for your Lovenox injection, you'll want to have several things ready. Number one, an alcohol pad to wipe the area, a little bit of gauze if you need to afterwards to just hold pressure on the site. Some patients will want to use gloves. If you'd like to use gloves during the procedure, or if somebody's administering the shot for you, they'll want to put on gloves. Otherwise, please make sure that your hands are rinsed, washed, and even alcohol sanitizer over your hands if you're going to do it without gloves on. After washing your hands or donning the gloves, you'll want to use the alcohol wipe to cleanse the area that you're going to inject. Most patients will use the outer thigh, or you can use the back of the arm, but the outer thigh seems to be the most accessible when you have your binders on. You'll want to cleanse the area of the outer thigh wherever you're going to be injecting. Once that's cleansed, you want to grab a portion of the outer thigh just to kind of lift and tent the skin a little bit. The enoxaparin injection comes with a needle preloaded, and you'll want to remove the safety cover so you can see the exposed needle. With the area held up and firm, you'll want to stick this needle straight in or at a slight angle into the skin. Once the needle is completely in, you'll want to depress this plunger. Push the plunger all the way in until it stops. Once the plunger is stopped, pull the needle out of the body, press the plunger again, and a sheath will come over the needle, protecting the needle so it can be thrown away in the regular trash. Afterwards, cleanse the area again with alcohol, apply pressure if you need to the site for a minute, and then apply a Band-Aid. It's that easy. Enoxaparin for preventing blood clots after surgery. Thank you for following this instructional video for using enoxaparin or Lovenox injection after surgery. Remember, if you need this shot, you will be instructed to get some before surgery, and so you'll have a prescription for it. If you do not have a prescription, you do not need this shot.